Hi guys, I'm up and at it. Merry Christmas Eve. I'm making some, we call them spiders in my family, but I guess people call them boiled cookies or no-bake cookies. It's just a stick of butter, 1/3 unsweetened cocoa, 1 1/3 sugar, and 1/2 cup milk. And then over here you got 3 cups of oatmeal, and I'm using quick, but you can use old-fashioned oats too, and 2/3 cup peanut butter. So what you want to do is get this, this is on very low, the sugar and the cocoa and the butter all to, you know, melt, and then you want it to boil kind of rapidly for at least 1 minute, not at least, just make sure, not just around the edges, like so, well, that could work for some people, but in the center, you want to see it boil. I'll come back when it does that. And then you want to take it off the heat and then add this, okay? So, yeah, I'm making this, and I'm making chocolate-covered strawberries, and that's pretty much all the cooking. I'm using this butter this year. I'm trying it. I've been seeing it everywhere, so we'll see. But yeah, that's all I made. Like, all my food is coming in from a restaurant, and I made appetizers. I've got beef tips. I've got stuffed mushrooms. I made all that. I got the beef marinating and the mushrooms yesterday. And I hope you guys are having a good morning. I'm just chilling with a coffee here. And I had a donut, so. All right, it's getting almost to the point of the boil, so let me, you cannot play with this, so let me go, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, everybody, look how yummy this looks. Over here, I'm out of parchment paper, so I just set up like 29 little cups, because this recipe thinks about 24 or more. So shortly here, it's gonna start the boil. And then I'll time it for 1 minute. I want to see bubbles all through here for a minute. And again, this is kind of, I mean, it only takes not long, but I have it on very low. We're going really low and slow, just because I don't want to burn, you know, the chocolate and have a disaster. I've done it before, believe me. All right. This is what we're looking for. 1 minute. Okay, it's been a minute. So you want to take it off the heat. I'm doing this with one hand. Take this and stir. You're gonna need some elbow grease for this. Like, it should set up. And after this all is incorporated, you want to drop them by spoonful. Oh, that's just having a little fit. Everything I cook, she thinks parts for her. What you doing? You're so excited, aren't you? Okay, so they're all dropped. It made more than I thought. I know they don't really look like that appetizing. This is a recipe that I learned from a family in Maine, but they are so good. Now, you can see it's kind of setting up. It's going to remove from there. They're going to be like, taste like a little like fudge. This is my brother's and a lot of my cousin's favorite cookie. And again, we call it the spider. So, that's pretty much it. They're gonna pull off. I might leave them like this so people can have their individual servings. But yeah, that's it. Nothing to it. Now on to the chocolate covered strawberries.